right, let's do it, guys. Let's break down Nvidia stock, how we're looking right now, the charts, what I'm looking to do, the whole 9 yards. You guys know the drill. And I also want to go over SMCI, which they just reported earnings, and this could foreshadow what's to come for Nvidia. We have a lot to cover, guys. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund your account with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, guys, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. So, guys, use that link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So, we have about an hour left in the market or in the session right now. So we just crossed over into power hour, and I'm sure you guys know the markets have not been doing well today, man. S&P's currently down about 0.25%. Dow's down 0.5%. The Russell's down 0.75%. And QQQ, NASDAQ 100, is up actually about 0.25%, which earlier in the day, that was in the red as well. And as of now, guys, Nvidia's down 1.3%. It looks like we are getting rejected at the 180 SMA. As of now, we've struggled to break out of that today, right? Which I'm losing track of days. What's today? Wednesday? So all week so far, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've struggled to break out of this 180 SMA. And that's still the case right now. So we do have a bit of, I guess you can say, a wedge here on Nvidia. You guys see it. We're making distinct lower highs here over the last pretty much all year, 2025, right? We hit 153, then we hit 147, and this very well could be another lower high at about 133, 135. But at the same time, guys, right, as we're making these lower highs here, you guys see that? We're also making pretty distinct higher lows. Do you guys see these here as well? So it's a battle. It's a battle between the bulls and the bears right now. And you guys know my opinion. I think we're going to rally into earnings, break this wedge into earnings. I think especially after earnings. I could be wrong. Who knows? But yeah, I think Nvidia, it's in the wedge. I don't think that. I know that it's right here, but I think it's going to break out. I think we're ultimately going to break out, but we're not there yet. We haven't fully done that yet, which we're going to need to break out of 135, 140 for that to even happen, right? Especially 140, guys. That level needs to break. So Nvidia's earnings, you guys know, are coming up here on the 26th of this month. Not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday after that. We're getting Nvidia's earnings, and that's going to be big, man. I think on the quarter, compared to last quarter, right, they're going to be growing revenue by 80%, roughly 75-80% year over year, which is nuts. And in terms of the full year number, now that we're about to get Q4's numbers, we'll have 2024, the entire picture. I'm pretty sure they're going to be growing revenues by about 115% year over year. I think last year they did $60 billion in that ballpark. And, you know, for 2023, now for 2024, they're going to be doing something like 115 billion or more than that, 125, something like that. Last I checked. So yeah, Nvidia, guys, they're going to be growing very nicely. And their forward PE is a 30 right now, which I think is comical. I think it's a buy, quite frankly, at these levels, in my opinion. I think Nvidia is. I bought more recently when it dumped about, a week, 2 weeks ago? Not even 2 weeks ago. That was about a week ago. When we hit 113, I bought more. I added more to my position. And SMCI, which is a partner to Nvidia, they just reported earnings, and their guidance was pretty good, right? The stock went up like crazy. We're up again today. To give you guys some perspective, this stock was at about $27 just about a week ago. Now we're pushing over 40. We actually just hit 45 a couple days ago, guys. So SMCI reported good numbers, and this might foreshadow what's to come for Nvidia. And obviously SMCI is a little bit different, obviously, from Nvidia, but there's going to be some signs here. Let me show you this article from investing.com. As I pull this up here, guys, make sure to join the free email list. That is linked right down below. If you haven't done that yet, I send out my top stocks weekly right to your email for free. Put your first name, your email address using that link down below. So this headline reads, Nvidia stock falls on hot CPI, which we covered that in my SoFi video earlier today. So Nvidia stock falls on hot CPI, but news from this partner could bring cheer. And the partner in this case is SMCI. So SMCI, which makes AI servers, issued super bullish revenue guidance for its fiscal year 2026, which is the period from July 2025 to June 2026. Get this, guys. SMCI sees revenue for that period up a whopping 65% to $40 billion, well above the consensus of $33.6 billion. And SMCI CEO Charles Liang even said that number could prove conservative. Insane. It might be more than 40 billion, right? In other words. And needless to say, SMCI shares are rocketing 9% as of this article. Now it's probably up even more. Yeah, I mean, it's been going up, right? And while there are many questions surrounding SMCI, which has been hurt by accounting woes and short seller reports, which you guys already know about that, the numbers are worth considering for Nvidia shareholders, right? Commenting on the news, Mizuho desk analyst and TMT specialist Jordan Klein said SMCI management to me sounded very confident in the demand and pending timing for NVIDIA Blackwell AI server ramp, whether it is GB200 or HGX designs, and only holdup seems to be enough GPU chip supply, but that should come. To me, he said, it bodes positive for NVIDIA and other suppliers like FM and any optical component supplier into 2H when 1.6 tera speed transceivers are expected to really ramp, right? So it all depends on if you, what you think about that SMCI guidance. This could be good, man, for NVIDIA coming over the next couple of quarters with Blackwell ramping, right? This could be, it could be foreshadowing NVIDIA's numbers, what's to come from their guidance here in the coming weeks. I think it's going to surprise us. I could be wrong, though. I don't know. We shall see. But what I do know is I've been buying NVIDIA. I've been putting my money at risk because I love this opportunity. And I think at these levels, man, the stock, especially at 110.13, that general range where I've bought it multiple times over the last couple of months. I mean, it was at low hundreds a couple months ago, and now it just hit it again. I took advantage of that. I think that level is a buy. And even here at 130, you can make a serious case. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Do you think SMCI's guidance, you think that's going to, you think it's foreshadowing what's to come for NVIDIA? Is it not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as now we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers after we just hit 50K. I really do appreciate you guys as always. And don't forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. All you guys have to do is use that link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.